Hey guys, Jen here in the Northview model shop, and tonight we're going to do a special video, and special is the key word. What are the kits in your stash that have special meaning to you? So, I want to lead off with 4 kits that I picked out that really have special meaning to me. So, let's get them started. The first one is the 71, the Plymouth Hemi-Cuda. I built this one way back when we were in the old Northview model shop in the next room. Had a lot of fun, really good blast of a time. So you ask, why is this kit special? This one is still sealed up. It's just a normal Revell kit. You still probably get these kits all over the place. It wasn't anything super special, but you know, I had fun building it. Well, come to find out, this kit is actually the last birthday present my mother ever bought that was supposed to be for me. She passed away about 20 days before my birthday. So this just kind of, this got thrown in the stash, and the old man just kind of, didn't do anything in the house. And last year, for my son's birthday, the old man actually was going through cleaning up, found this, and gave it to my son to always remember his grandmother about. So that was super cool because I built one. Now my son has one. I don't know if Angela will ever build it, but it's special to us because it came from her. So just a neat little one here. The next one is 172 F14A. This is the Academy kit. Really nice kit. The panel lines, everything look really great. There's a little flashy. It looks like it assembles really great. Just cool kit. The thing with me was I was not a big fan of the F14, and I really wasn't a big fan of the small scale jet, to be honest with you. But my daughter picked this out for a Father's Day gift for me. And I've always held on to it, and I do plan to maybe someday slam it together. I kind of got a little itching for the smaller jets now. But, what's weird is I've had people come over and they've wanted to buy this. There's some trades. Apparently it's some type of limited edition thing, special edition with limited availability. I never believe these stickers anyway, but a few F14 fans say they want this kit. And I've had offers. And when it's come time to pull the trigger, I've always shied and backed away just because, the little girl gave this to me. That means more than anything. So this stays in the stash, and we will someday work on that one. This one here, this is the what is this? The Snowplow Ford LTN 8000. I can never remember what that title was. It's the AMT kit. Really cool kit. This came from my buddy Sean. And about 5 years ago, our very first Berg scale model show we put on, Sean had bought out a group of, or a buddy's collection. He got a couple of these. One was sealed, one was open. So he was sharing this with us before he came down, and we all like, oh, well, we'll buy that off you, buy that. How much? How much? Not for sale, not for sale, not for sale. And I was really interested in this kit, and he said, nope, not for sale. It sounded to nobody. Well, Sean shows up the night before the model show because he's staying with us, right? And he hands me over this kit, and I look it over. It's pretty cool, and I go to hand it back to him. He says, no, it's yours. And I said, it's mine. No, how much, Sean, right? 80, 90 bucks, right? Nope, that's your kit. That's for letting us stay at your place for the weekend. And they're like, no, man, friends don't charge friends to stay. And he would not take no for an answer, so I had to take it. And just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tank, or tank. I'm looking at the fuel tank there. Beautiful truck. We want to put this one together. I've seen it built in a couple different variations. It's super cool. So, that was one thing that, just a man with a huge heart, and just wants to be, a good friend, just sharing the kits around. So, super cool. I'll never part with this. I've been offered a few times. Trades, once again, still turn it down. Then we come to the last one. And guys, you're not going to be surprised by this one. This is my dead horse. I beat this thing for all the time, and we keep doing videos about it. But it is the Ming D9 Dozer. Now this has a long story, so get some popcorn. Years and years and years ago, we were at the Bible Hill Model Show, and this was put up. A vendor shows up, and he grabs this kit, and he walks up to the front of the stage, and he puts it on the stage. This is the Grand Puma of the donations. And so we're all day long, everybody's going up there, everyone's pulling their wieners all over this kit, right? It's sealed in plastic, so it was all protected. And we're all just like, oh my god, oh, I so want that, so want that, so want that, so want that. And everybody's okay, when it comes time for raffles, whoever's name gets pulled first, they're taking the D9 Dozer kit. Well, don't they pull Clyde Gates' name? And this has got Clyde's name all over it. He's into that kind of stuff. So we thought. Anyway, he walks up there, He puts his hand on the kit like this, and he goes down, he grabs the $100 gift certificate for the model store, right? And walks away. Everyone's like, wow, they were blown away. They almost for sure Clyde would take this. After learning more about Clyde, getting to know him and stuff, 1/35th scale, not his thing. He's a 125 scaled guy, so that's why he didn't take it. So everyone's like, whoa, okay, the D9 Dozer is still available. So they call the next one, Sean Vincent. You know Sean Vincent, he's my buddy. I'm sitting beside him like, oh man. He walks up, he's like, yep. He looks at the Dozer kit and he kind of picks up, junk. And he walks away. He got it. We come back and I'm like, ah, Sean, right, what do you want to do, right? People are coming up to him with money. Buy that kit off, buy kit. Nope, won't part with it. So time goes by, I end up landing at Sean's place for New Year's Eve get-together, and he gets the kit, he splits it open, starts handing the trees around the room with a couple guys there, and we're looking at it, and we're all tugging our wieners over it, right? He's like, Sean, you want to sell that? Nah, I don't want to sell that. Nope, don't want to. It's like, damn, right? So anyway, we all leave, and anyway, long story gets a bit longer here. The old lawn tractor takes a big shit, right? And it needs a starter. I can't find one locally, so I'm calling my buddy Sean, and we're on the island, and he says, you know, hey, let me look around. Anyway, calls me back a couple hours later. He's like, yeah, man, I got a starter. I said, well, how much? Well, it's $100. I said, yeah, okay, do you want me to wire the money? No, I've already got it. I'm on my way to drop it off to you. All right, he's coming from the island. It's a 5.5-hour drive. On a Friday night, he's leaving to come. You know, I was like, holy God, man, you are something else, right? So anyway, he shows up, right, and he gives me the starter, right, and I'm like, man, that's just something super sweet, right? Like, holy crap. And he's like, yeah, well, you know what? Here, have this kit. I don't think I'm ever going to build this. Not my thing. And I was absolutely floored, right? And it's just, you know, just a super nice guy. He knew how much I wanted it, and just, he took care of me, man. He hooked me up with a starter for the tractor. We paid him for that, and he gives me a $100 model kit to boot. So super cool. This means the world to me. You guys know we bought the Big Ed kit. Now you can get the through-off tracks for it, so we're going to get that. This was kind of the last time they called it the D9. After that, they just called it Armor Bulldozer because Cat suit or some crazy story. I forget what it was. Anyway, super cool. This is one of these kits I hold on. I've been offered so many times to trade for this. Just like, no. This is special. It stays with us. So those are our special kits in our collection. Nothing too sappy. Nothing too spectacular. I know people probably got more special kits in their collection for whatever reason. But guys, if you got a kit that's got emotional value to you, slap some pictures on there. Get her over to Facebook. Put them on the Northview Model Shop Facebook group. Put them over on YouTube, tag us, link us, whatever, so we can check out and see what kits in your collection are special to you. All right, guys, adios.